Hi friends, welcome to Learn with Mr. Nova. This is the third video on mobile communication and protocols tutorials. So in this question, we have consider a cellular system in which the total available voice channels to handle the traffic are 960. The area of each cell is 6 kilometers square and the total coverage area is 2,000 kilometers square. Calculate the system capacity if the cluster size is 7. The cluster size has a symbol n is equal to 7. Okay, basically there are 4 steps to solve this question. Without wasting more of time, so let's just begin. So the first step is to find the area of the cluster. The area of a cluster is given as the cluster size n multiplied by the area of each channel. The area of each channel has been given as 6. The area of each cell, the area of each cell is 6 kilometers square. So once you compute that, you're going to get 7 times 6 kilometers square. That gives you 42 kilometers square. And secondly, you're going to calculate the number of clusters. The number of clusters is calculated as the total area covered multiplied by the area of each cluster. From the question, the total area covered is equal to 2,000 kilometers square. So if you compute 2,000 kilometers square divided by the area of a cluster, it's 42. So 2,000 kilometers square divided by 42 kilometers square, you're going to get 48. The kilometers at the numerator cancels the kilometers square at the denominator, so it is unitless. You can just simply say 48 clusters. Okay, and thirdly, you have to calculate the number of channels per cell. The number of channels per cell is calculated as the number of available channels divided by the cluster size. And if you read from the question, the number of available channels is given as 960, and the cluster size still remains as 7. So if you compute that, you're going to get 960 divided by 7, which gives us 137 channels. And lastly, to find the system capacity, now, the system capacity is computed as the number of clusters divided by multiplied by the number of available channels. So if you compute that, you are going to get a number of clusters as 48 and multiplied by the number of available channels as 960, which totally gives us 46,080. So the question is done and we are done. So if you have any issue concerning this question in the course of understanding, you can hit me at the comment section and I will sort out your issue. And if you haven't subscribed at the beginning, then kindly do so to promote this channel. Thanks, and see you in my next video.